Hi there, this is Ginny. I own LearnWithGinny.com, which is my journey in this home business industry. And I'm sharing all kinds of stuff that I know how to do to help you out with your home business. So let me know if you have any questions, drop a comment, and let me know if there's something else you want me to cover. And if I can, I will. And if I don't know, I know where to find it. So that said, today's topic is creating a super simple landing page. And if you're new and don't know what a landing page is, or sometimes they're called opt-in pages, they're places to collect your leads. They're places where people put their email in and get on your list. And yesterday, I think it was yesterday, these days just go by, hey? I talked about setting up your email list. So if you didn't do that yet, go to my YouTube channel and find that was the latest video. It'll be the one before this one once I get this one up. So today is how to create the landing page to invite people to your list. And it's super simple. You don't even need a website, okay? I did talk about buying a domain so that at least you have an email that is at your name.com or something, something more personal. Mine's Learn with Ginny just because it's always been about my journey. And I didn't even know that I was already setting myself up on this course. Isn't that crazy how that works? So I am going to share my screen and I'm going to show you live exactly how I created. This is, well, I'll share my screen first. I get distracted and I just want to talk. So here we go. When you log into your AWeber account, you'll see at the top, dashboard, messages, subscribers, landing pages. And when you click landing pages, you probably don't have anything there. If you've done this before, then you do. So you just click create a landing page. And then you pick a template. And I like something super simple, like this, for example. It doesn't have much on it. It's simply for signing up your newsletter. Guys, this is the most simple business model ever. You don't need fancy funnels. You don't need fancy websites. All you need is something to collect your leads, something somewhere to keep your prospects. So now all we do, at the top here, it says insert landing page name. So I'm going to give it a name. Ginny's newsletter. Come with me. I don't know, something like that. And then this logo thing is all I did is I have a simple picture of myself when I clicked image. When I clicked it to change the image, you can use a stock image, or I like to use my face because I am branding me. Then I click down here and I give it a header. Like, hey, I'm Ginny. And I'll just tell everyone that this is my home business journey. Come with me. And I like when I'm editing landing pages or sales pages or anything, I like to keep the format the same because the people who designed these are actually professional designers. I am not. I am Ginny, a uber busy sports mom, just trying to squeeze it all in, and not trying. I'm squeezing it all in through the nooks and crannies of my day. So come with me. Let's see, this is my home business journey. And here's another little tip. I told you this yesterday, read it out loud. So come with me. You might learn something. Who knows? And I'm just going to go ahead and keep these little bullet points, and I'm going to say, I write daily, sometimes less, sometimes more. And a lot of times you'll get home business tips. Other times you'll get stories, promos, whatever I feel like talking about. And I write the way I talk. I said talking, and then that's the way I wrote it. So grammar police, you're not for me. All right. Then you need another headline here. I'm just going to say, whoops, I didn't mean to take away the, I'm going to say, welcome. You're going to like it here. And you do want to capitalize. I don't like that the second word came up on the bottom, so I'm just going to take that welcome out. There, I do like this. I'm going to put your best email in below. As part of your call to action. Now, on my other landing pages, I kind of took this stuff out, but I think I'm going to put them in just to show you. But these are all your social media links. So if you want them to come hang out with you on all of these, you're going to put them in. So I clicked it. I'm going to click edit on Facebook, and this is going to be Learn with Ginny. Everything is the same. Super easy to find me. So, oh, you got to click done, and then I'm going to click edit for Twitter, Learn with Ginny, done, edit for Instagram, Learn with Ginny, whoops, done, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, I don't believe I have a custom. I'm not going to look it up now, but when you go into YouTube, you can click on it and find your channel. LinkedIn, I know, is Learn with Ginny. Done. Okay, so that's done. I have it titled. I have all this fixed. And by the way, I was already on my list, so you don't have to do anything else. Am I done? I think I'm done. And yes, there's one more place I got to show you. And, oh, I think I got to go back into it. Settings. Yep. I probably should have done this first, but whatever. You want to give it a custom path, page path, so that it ends up being this giant long URL. And at least this way, it's the A whatever number, and then slash Ginny. I'm going to say Ginny 1 because I already have one that's called Ginny. And then you're going to want to give it a title, Ginny's newsletter. Come hang with me. You might learn something. And you'll get opportunities for free training. There we go. And then down here, if you know about tracking pixels, you can paste those in here, your IDs from your Facebook and Google, which is kind of cool. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to save and exit. Hit publish. And then I have my link here, right here. So I could copy it to the clipboard and share it with people. So if you want to get on there, all you got to do for me is, because I do have a website, just go to LearnWithGinny.com and scroll to the middle of the page because I have it all set up for you right there. That's it. I hope you have a great day, and I hope that you found that helpful, and I especially hope that it helped you out, my friend, because you don't need a fancy website. All you got to do is set up a landing page and you're good to go. Now, AWeber does also have a a mobile app. So you could literally put people's email in right on your phone. Very cool stuff. All right. In my YouTube channel, I will put the link to my website and the link to sign up for an AWeber account if you don't already have one. Make it a great day. Subscribe to my newsletter, subscribe to my YouTube, and who knows, maybe something I share will help you get going. See you later.